with Akins and Wild Willies Custom Accessories. We're in Matthews Akins Ford F250 Platinum Carbonized Gray. This sucker's a beauty. We're actually headed down to his place of business. It's great to take care of our local friends and family and businesses around our area here in Winder. So gonna go down and get some cool shots and actually review this thing. Hopefully find a good spot near his nutrition store. Let's go. Like that truck?
Yeah. How's it look?
You tell me.
It's good, man.
So, dude.
How's it riding?
It rides great. It rides great.
Damn. Look at that thing.
I got the camera going.
Oh, nice.
I wanted to bring it here just because we do so much for everybody else. It's nice to do something for our local people, you know what I mean?
Very nice, thank you.
So it's cool. So Matt was here, he just saw his truck, we're about to review it, and we're trying out Fruity Pebbles, we got Captain America, drinks galore. All right, y'all, so I've got my Captain America tea. It's quite amazing. So hit up Trackside Nutrition for all of your nutrition needs. Shakes and teas are phenomenal. My first time trying it, and I come right by here every morning before I go work out, so I'm gonna hit them up. Definitely. We've got 2021 Carbonized Gray, replacing magnetic, F250 Akins Ford Platinum, Covert Edition, customized by Wild Willies, a true custom special. So up front, first and foremost, this front component of the grill was like a brushed aluminum style. So we did rid of that and did carbonized gray in this portion here. Matt and I were trying to discuss what to do with this and envision accenting black, carbonized, and his chrome accents throughout. So we feel like we did a great job of doing that with this vehicle. So we kept these three brushed aluminum bars and did a custom emblem where we did the blue to carbonized and the chrome black. It just looks phenomenal. We feel like a great combination of flowing of all three accent colors between the three. So let me know what you think about the grill first and foremost. Do you think it flows nicely with the contrast of still having the chrome in the headlights, the brushed aluminum on these horizontal bars, and then your chrome tow hooks? All right, so what makes the Covert so special is you don't have to do too much to still fit 37s on the Super Duty. It's nice and clean, very proportional in the balance. Aesthetically, it just works so well, y'all. So we're leveled on 37s via 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring level kit. We've got Fox shocks front and rear. Show them the Fox shocks brake, coil spring setup. We got drop down brackets for your brake lines as well. We've got a Fox steering stabilizer underneath as well, and we also trimmed that front valance that hangs down so, and it just looks ugly to me, y'all. We actually trimmed that as well, so it looks great. And then wheel and tire combo, we've got Fuel Blitz in 20x9 with that stance looking so money. He loves the overall stance. I'm glad he's happy with it. Now our mild to wild scale, because of that offset, is nice and tucked in, just looking nice and clean. A very aesthetically perfect balance. Not too wide, but just wide enough to where you get some improved stability and handling. We're 37, 12.5, 20. Need our ridge grapper tire, that hybrid tire. It's been so popular and looks great. So very rugged, but also has great ride quality. Side badge, this here was a chrome piece. This was textured. We removed the texture back there, did it a gate black, did black around the border and black out inside the platinum area. Left the platinum in the 250 to contrast and flow with his nice balance between the three different colors. This is chrome as well, y'all. So we did carbonized gray on this mirror cap. A really nice custom touch there. Already comes with power running boards. These are chrome, so we actually got rid of that, did carbonize there. We also have a lot of paint protection. So we got paint protection film on your mirror cap there, inside the door edges there, door seal, and edge guards, as well as full front on the hood. Show them right here, Bray. We got, this is full paint protected up here up front, and then the bumpers also. So very subtle, couldn't tell unless I told you y'all, but we got paint protection film. I guess you can show them right here, Brad. They actually can see the line a little bit here on the side. So very subtle, but very protective from rocks, debris, and just the harsh elements that nature throws at us. So let's come on around. We got WeatherTech floor mats on the inside. Let's show them a little sneak peek on the inside. We got WeatherTechs and that nice premium platinum leather on the inside. All the convenience features, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and more. We've got a Rolling Lock E-Series power bed cover. This is a great option for everyday needs, and the power option on the Super Duty is so great because the truck's a little taller and it's easy to have the functionality of the power. We got rear wheel well liners out back. Just cleans up the lines of that unfinished wheel well. And then you know I love the rear. God, look at this, y'all. This is that brushed aluminum. Got rid of that, did black out back, left the platinum in the Super Duty. Just looking so unbelievable. We've got, again, the matching rear emblem to match the front. We got park sensors around as well. Show them the mild to wild scale from a good rear shot right here. Looks so great, y'all. So again, I'm deeply rooted in the small hometown vibe, and Winder is definitely that. And so it's special to us at Akins, but especially me as well, guys, to deal with local businesses and take care of our local people, because that's our neighbors. So we just love doing that. And a phenomenal F250 Platinum Covert Edition, another stunning truck right here at Akins and Willies. Thanks so much, y'all.